All right, so news just coming in. The latest from Jaipur resort where the MLAs are stationed, 22 MLAs, including 3 independents not present in the Jaipur hotel where the Gehlot faction is staying. Remember, Chief Minister's camp had claimed that they had support of 109 MLAs. Well, till now, it seems 22 MLAs and 3 independents are not present. We're going to try and get in more information on the very latest filtering in, because these MLAs now would be making their way back to the Chief Minister's residence where the second CLP meet is to take place today. A second invitation was extended out to his deputy, Sachin Pilot, but it seems Sachin Pilot, along with the MLAs that he has with him, have dug in his heels. There is still little clarity on the numbers that Sachin Pilot has with him, but it seems to be anywhere between 16 to 25 is what is being claimed and projected by what one can call right now Sachin Pilot camp. I want to connect right now to Dev Ankur Vadhavan from Fairmont Resort and Jaipur, while in the national capital tracking developments where Sachin Pilot is concerned is Anand Patel. Dev, 22 MLAs missing, 3 independents missing from the hotel. In what number is that count? Is it 22 MLAs of 109 claimed by the Chief Minister? Can you give us more details when we talk about 22 MLAs missing and 3 independents missing from the Fairmont Hotel? What does that mean?
Well, Preeti, that exactly means that the speculation which was rife yesterday that Pilot continues to be defiant, that has, increased, because yesterday night, Sachin Pilot's camp has released a video of ITC Manesar, and there are at least 20 Pilot loyalists who can be seen in that video. Although the video is a bit hazy, but you can identify several people sitting in that video. And the Pilot camp's claim is that, the claims made by Ashok Gehlot's camp that 109 MLAs are inside the resort, that is right now behind me. That claim is untrue, it is false, and the Pilot camp continues to remain defiant in this entire matter. Also, we are given to understand that there have been fervent appeals by Avinash Pandey today morning in less than half an hour before 10 o'clock, which was the scheduled time for the meeting to begin. Avinash Pandey has mentioned that he once again appeals to Sachin Pilot and his supporters or loyalists to make their presence at the meeting and also to strengthen the hands of Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. So clearly, the Congress camp feels that if it would be better for both sides for Pilot to return to the mainstream party fold and to stop with his defiant, rebellious ways.
Okay, Dev, I'm going to come right back to you.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.